Do you have a door that won't stay closed or latch properly? It might be because the strike plate doesn't line up with the doorknob deadbolt. We're going to fix that today. Here's how. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. Let's dive in. So you can see with this trim piece, we're going to have to move the strike plate up probably about 1/4 of an inch. Remove the old strike plate. And mark where we're going to move it up to. That's going to be close because we might not have the screw for it to go into on the bottom. It's going to move up about 3/8. That's already notched out, so we need to cast a line across the top and extend that corner. Wood chisel. Chisel in our top line. Now that we have our cuts, we can start to chisel out. Now, I hold the angle side against the wood that I'm chiseling out. And it pushes it out to the cut. I look to see where I have to take out of the deadbolt hole. Roughly about here. Now with the narrow chisel, see how easy that came out? Yeah, I'm missing that screw, but we're going to see if we can get by with that.
And wouldn't you know it, I had to fill this up with some wood filler. Sometimes if it's off just a little bit, you can really get by. Make this a really easy job. But not this time.
So now with the wood filler set up, we're ready to remount the strike plate in the correct position. This strike plate is barely holding on, so this is a closet door. It's not a front door. This is not the most secure way of doing this. So now we'll test it. And that is how to get a door to close by moving the strike plate. For more tips and suggestions like this one, click the image on your screen now.